Well, hi, all you cool cats and kittens. How you doing? I thought today I would explain what you're supposed to do this week instead of typing it. I hope that this finds you guys well. I miss you guys immensely. And how cool do I look with my cool little headset here and my nice little gaming chair? Because this actually is a gaming chair. I got it for my master's program, so it's nice and comfy. So let's go ahead and show you what you're going to be doing for this week. It's same as the past couple weeks. We're on week 6 already, and supposedly we have 8 weeks. So let the countdown begin. Task for this week, guys, it's all in Google Classroom as always. We have our week 6, our hyperdoc on potential and kinetic energy, and then you also have your CK12 assignment. Okay, so I think we figured out the CK12 assignment. Let's go through your hyperdoc on Google Classroom. Oops, I already had it at the bottom. Okay, so we've got our essential questions here. We're looking at potential and kinetic energy. Okay, and the cool thing I think about these lessons that we've been doing, this is one of my favorite parts of the year because this type of science that we're learning about, motion, friction, unbalanced forces, it's so relevant and you can see it every day, like motion, 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 right? With the potential and the kinetic energy, I think this is cool because you're looking at your essential questions, but I also want you guys to think about how do you actually relate this to your life? Like for those of you who play baseball, right? Like why when you play baseball are you putting your bat back here? Why don't you just start here? What about golf, right? What do you do when you swing your golf club? You didn't you don't just bit, right? Or tennis, volleyball. When I'm serving, why is my hand all the way back here? Okay? Basketball, you don't just shoot the ball like meh, right? You have to so I want you guys to think about that with those essential questions, okay? So go through the what do you think part, and then we've got a nice simulation. This one's one of my favorite simulations that we do all year. It's a skate park, ergo vis-a-vis, super fun. So go ahead and play around with that. There's a lot of tools over here you can play around with. Highly encourage it. It's pretty fun too because you can make them fall off. Okay, so play around with that. Go through your simulation, answer the questions. Okay, and then you got some more questions here, and then this is where you get to your CK12 section. Okay, and then when you get to your CK12 question, guys, here's the thing. Remember, here's the section. When I go down to view practice, okay, I'm not just completing 10 questions. I have to get 10 answers correct. Okay, so I know that the energy emotion is kinetic energy. Check it. Cool. Okay, if I stop for now and it says submitting, I still have not done 10 questions. Therefore, I will not get your results. Okay, so you have to answer 10 questions correctly. That seems to be the kicker. And again, a disadvantage is that I can't see your guys' screen because I usually can see your guys' screen at school. I can double check and be like, oh, that's what it looks like. Then you're just summarizing things that you learn, and then you're creating your own examples. Okay, we have this optional experiment. I think this would be really, really cool if you have the materials and the ability to do this. And then you want to go ahead and post that here because this is really fun. If you've ever, here's to date myself, if you've ever played a mouse trap, yeah, that would be an example of a Rube Goldberg machine. Okay, so this week it's pretty straightforward. You're doing your hyperdoc per usual, the simulation within your hyperdoc. Okay, and then you're also doing your CK12 assignment. Okay, so if you have any questions like usual, guys, please email me. That is the best way to get a hold of me. I am checking my email throughout the day, all the time, making sure that I am accessible to you guys and any questions that you might have. Okay, I miss you guys so much, and I am absolutely so impressed with what you've been able to accomplish. Keep it up. You are amazing, and you let me know what you need, okay? See you guys later.